This video is on solving exponential equations. An exponential equation is an equation in which the exponent includes a variable. To solve an exponential equation, we want to write each side of the equation with the same base. When the bases are the same, then we can pull the exponents off, set them equal to each other, and solve the equation. Here's a couple examples. So here we have the equation 2 raised to the power of 12x equals 8. So I need to write each side of the equation with the same base. Common bases that you're going to use are 2, 3, 5, sometimes 6 and 7, but a lot of the problems you're going to see are 2, 3, and 5. So this already has a base of 2, and I know that 8 is 2 raised to the third power. So I can write this as 2 to the 12x power equals 2 to the third power, 2 to the third being 8. And now that my bases are the same, I can pretty much just pull off the exponents and say 12x is equal to 3. And then dividing both sides by 12, I have x is equal to 1/4. And actually, this one's a pretty simple one to check. So if I were to plug 1/4 in for x, 12 times 1/4 is 3. 2 to the third is equal to 8. Second example here is 27 raised to the power of 3x equals 81. Well, I know that 27 is 3 to the third power. That's 27, 3 to the third, and that's raised to the 3x power. And I know that 81 is 3 to the fourth power. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81, so 3 to the fourth. And here I have a power of a power, so that's the same as 3 to the 9x equals 3 to the fourth. And now that my bases are set the same, I can just make my exponents equal to each other. So 9x equals 4, and dividing by 9, x equals 4/9. So here are a couple problems for you to try. So stop the video, copy these into your math journal, and try them on your own. Okay, let's take a look at these. So we have to solve each equation. So we have 3 raised to the 2x power equals 27. So I know that I can write 27 with a base of 3. So I'm going to do 3 to the 2x equals 27 is 3 to the third power. Now that my bases are the same, I can pull off my exponents and say 2x equals 3, and dividing by 2, x is equal to 3/2. My second example says 4 to the 3x power equals 64. Well, I know that 4 is 2 squared, and I believe 64 is 2 raised to some power. And if you don't remember what it is, try some numbers on your calculator. So try 2 to the 4th, 2 to the 5th, 2 to the 6th, and see if you get that. Actually, if you've played the game 2048, you should know your powers of 2. So 4 is 2 squared. So there's my 4 raised to the power of 3x. And 64 is actually 2 to the 6th power. So using the power of powers, that's the same as 2 to the 2 times 3x, or 6x, is equal to 2 to the 6th. Since my bases are the same, I can set my exponents equal to each other, and x is equal to 1. So in this video, we took a look at how to solve exponential equations by writing both sides of the equal sign with the same base and then making the exponents equal to each other.